Grantland Rice could write with incredible dash on a wide range of stops of sports because of his natural flair and uncanny sporting intelligence. Which choice completes a text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Option A, energy. Option B, rapidity. Option C, sincerity. Or option D, authority. So by looking at the options, you know exactly what the question tests you on. It's testing you on the correct usage of the word here, the correct vocab in the context. Remember, you need to understand the context and then choose the word accordingly. So first we need to get into the context. We need to know exactly what the context is, understand the context, try to make our own prediction, and then do process of elimination. So let's see what the context is. So Rice could write with incredible dash, right? We don't know exactly how he is able to write, but look at the context here on a wide range of sports, right? So that means he was a exceptionally good writer. Now they're also giving you a reason here because of his natural flair and uncanny sporting intelligence. So he had a great aptitude for sports, and that's why he could write with incredible dash, right? So let's look at the context here. The context here would be because of his uncanny sporting intelligence. So that clearly tells us the knowledge with which Rice could write. Okay, so this is what we have, right? Now based on that, let's try to make our own prediction. So what can the word be? So the word that we're looking for is something close to knowledge or natural aptitude, right? Let's try to see if the prediction works out well here. Rice could write with incredible knowledge. Okay, perfect, it works fine. Or Rice could write with incredible aptitude on a wide range of sports. Why? Because of his natural flair and an uncanny sporting intelligence. So this clearly matches what we're looking for. So now let's go to the options, do process of elimination. Let's see which option is close to having the knowledge and the natural aptitude. Let's go to option A, energy. Now let's see if energy is the closest word for knowledge or aptitude. Now energy can be achieved even without the knowledge of sports, right? You don't need to have energy. Again, there's no link between energy and sports. So option A can be eliminated. Let's go to option B, rapidity. Now knowledge of sports may improve the speed of writing, but again, it doesn't improve the sports for writing, right? The speed for writing is clearly not needed, right? So he could write with incredible rapidity would mean speed, right? Again, rapidity doesn't sound good here because he could write with speed, right? Speed has nothing to do with knowledge. Clear? So option B can be eliminated. Let's go to option C, sincerity. Now sincerity, he could write on sincerity, but anyway, we don't have any other context on sincerity. The passage has never given any clue on being sincere. So C can be eliminated. And then let's go to option D, authority. So authority means dominance. Authority means knowledge, right? Authority means like complete control over the subject, right? And it clearly, the complete control is clearly because of natural aptitude, right? So Rice could write with incredible aptitude or with incredible authority on a wide range of sports because of his natural flair and an uncanny sporting intelligence. So option D should be the correct answer. So the correct answer by the process of elimination is option D, authority.